Hi, in this video I will show you how to set defaults in Paint.net, which is a free alternative to Photoshop. So we want to set the defaults here and here. So I use Paint.net often to make screenshots and annotate them. So let's try to simulate that by going to Word, and let's say we want to highlight how to set some color. We take a screenshot, and that is what we want to annotate. That is not the important thing, what we are taking the screenshot of, but more what we do with the tools. So we have the screenshot, and I want to just have a simple arrow pointing up to the tool. And normally what I would do is I would use the line tool, but as you can see, the line tool is just a line and it is in black. So I want to have it in red and be an arrow pointing up here. So of course, I could just do these two simple steps every single time, but if I make hundreds of screenshots during a month, then this would become annoying. So why not just set the default? So to set the default, you simply go to Settings, Tools, and here you choose your defaults. Or even easier, because I've already selected it out here, I simply say Load from Toolbar. Now, if I restart Paint.net and put in my screenshot again, I simply just can go directly and make my arrow, because now red is the default and the arrow is the default style. Quick and simple. Thank you for attending.